This simple shallow fried fish recipe is a super easy and delicious way to cook your fish. Anybody can do it. There are no cooking skills required, as you will see in a minute. The shallow frying method would work on any type of fish. While I like to fry fish with the skin on, fish without skin works well too. Wild salmon is my preference because it is a tender, moist, flavorful fish that keeps its shape during the frying process. Cod, haddock, bass, or snapper are also good options. For crispy but straightforward breading, you will need 1 egg, milk, a bit of flour, salt, pepper, and breadcrumbs, and frying oil for cooking. I have left the link below the video for the list of best cooking oil to use for high heat frying. So, here is a fast and delicious way to shallow fry fish. Pat the fish with kitchen paper and make sure the fish is completely dry so the flour would stick well and the hot oil won't splash when frying. Now, season the flour with salt and pepper and give it a good mix. Then whisk together milk and egg. On medium heat, add enough oil to cover the base of your pan, approximately 1 inch deep, or about 1/3 the height of the food being fried. Make sure the oil won't cover the fish completely, because we are shallow frying and not deep frying the fish. Now, take pieces of fish and toss them in flour, then in egg mixture, and then in the breadcrumbs. Make sure the fish is covered entirely. Shake off excess breadcrumbs. Now, make sure the oil is sizzling hot and carefully place the fish in the oil. Fry the fish for about 5 minutes on each side until golden brown on one side. Then carefully flip the pieces over and fry till golden brown on the other side. Now, remove the fish from the oil and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb any excess oil. Voila! You just made shallow fried fish that tastes crispy and delicious. Check out my other video here about 3 fish types you should never eat.